What are we doing to help out with performers going into DCI this summer to cover their expenses? Because that's something that, okay, I've seen all my friends, they're all doing the GoFundMe's, and just seeing how much money required to even get on board now is just crazy. Um, so I think all of our listeners should be really focusing in on what they can do to help support their friends and family members as they're going to really do this amazing activity, because it does require that solid financial foundation. So if you know someone who's going into the corpses for this summer, really put that $5 out there, put that $10 out there. It makes a difference in the long run. If 20 people did that, you're changing someone's experience for the summer.
There is, I'm teaching alongside, yes, I'm teaching alongside someone who just staged out maybe in the last 2 years. And they said that they had actually gotten to use a school's gym and they put on like a clinic. And the proceeds from the clinic went towards their dues.
That's so smart. I love that. I
Yeah.
think the more creative we can be to really take on this issue, I think that the better for them. I think that's an excellent idea. So, if our listeners hear that, go figure out creative ways to fundraise for this, because I mean, again, it's a beast every summer and it just gets worse every summer if I'm being
Right. So correct.